Hey, quick question. Have you ever tried affiliate marketing and just felt stuck? Like you've signed up, but nothing really clicked? Honestly, I've been there too. You set up accounts on places like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or CJ Affiliate thinking you're on your way, but it quickly gets overwhelming. There's all this talk about funnels, traffic, email lists, and it's hard to know what actually works when you're just starting out. What helped me? I found a system that's already set up for you. It's a simple, done-for-you affiliate system. You get a pre-built landing page, email follow-ups, and a clear step-by-step plan without having to figure it all out on your own. There's even an option to get traffic sent directly to your page, which really takes the pressure off. Now, just so you know, I've tried the big affiliate networks too. Amazon Associates? Sure, it's a trusted brand, but commissions are really low and you only have 24 hours for people to buy. ClickBank? You can earn higher commissions there, but not all the products are great, and sometimes the dashboards are just a headache. CJ or Share a Sale? They have loads of brands, but getting approved can be tough, and the setup isn't exactly beginner-friendly. The system I'm using now just removes all that stress. You're not chasing approvals, you're not stuck with low commissions, and you don't need to be tech-savvy. And look, I'm not saying this is some magic solution, but it's a much simpler starting point, especially if you've tried other networks and felt like you were on your own. What I really liked is that you actually keep your leads, no one's stealing them, and you don't have to rely on social media algorithms like Facebook or TikTok to get traffic. It's just easier and way less stressful. If you're curious, you can check it out for free. Just click the link below and see what you think. There's no pressure to buy anything. Honestly, even just exploring the system might give you a better idea of how affiliate marketing can work when it's not overly complicated. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. If you've been thinking about affiliate marketing, but you don't want to spend months stuck in the setup phase, this could really help you get moving. Hope it helps. The link's below if you want to take a look.